Hey, the app that we created in the previous video, extension for it was .apk. APK is just zip file, it's type of from zip file. So I could go back from this APK to the source code. Let me show you how. If I open the terminal and I will go to the direction for my application, so cd to this direction and see the APK ls, this is the APK. I want to go to the code from the APK. It is the zip file, so I just say unzip. I could go back to the source code. If you see, here is everything is created from the zip file. If you see, here is the main phase. That's what I was talking about with you. I told you zip file is this one main phase is the place that hacker could read it and do vulnerability with your app. So if you see, this is not excellent way for you to read the data, but it is still, you could access to the drawable layout and everything. So what's the better for? It's better to use APK tool if you want to go back from source code, from the APK to source code. I will show you how. If I go to the install on the APK tool website, it's different from system to system. For example, I'm using Mac OS. See, he say first you just download this file and save it as APK. Okay, I will just click on it. I will click right. And he save as page APK tool. He name it apk.txt. Let me just create a folder for it. I name it APK. In my download, I will add this one, this first file. Let me go next. Next, he say, okay, you need to download the newest version here from APK tool. Download the newest version. I will download this one. Okay, save as. Yes, save as to download. You will take it. If you see it, if I go to download, I have to see the new version of APK. Where is it, the new version? It have to have name APK. Where is it? This is APK tool. So just me move to this folder. So just making sure from my work. No, I did not move it. So just me move it. So now here is it. Now I have APK tool. If you see what he say, third step. Third step, he say, okay, make sure you have no, I'm working with OS. He say, okay, rename the app to be APK tool JAR. So it asks me and just remove this extension from the app name. I name it APK tool.jar. Third step, he say, okay, go and move this one to this URL. I say take your data to this URL. If I just open the terminal again, I would just clear it. I would say cd to that URL. I would say open. I just want to go to that URL. Here is it. He say move it to this URL. I would just take this file. I have them, APK tool, all. Then I move them to this URL. So I just cd to APK. Just make sure I'm in right direction. ls. Yes, here we go. Now in my direction app. Now, okay, he said, okay, that's good. Everything is good. Now make sure, yes, everything is good. Now I want to do unzip for some file. If you see, it's really easy. You say just APK decompression for the file name. Let me see what the file name that I have it now. I'm here. Let me make sure I'm go to the my place. This is my place. And for example, I need this app. I want to do uncompression for it. Okay, I just copy it. I will add it here. Here you go. If you are a Mac, using a Mac, you have to write sudo, then you add this line here, java /jar apk tool d, then give it the file name. What file name have it? Here you go. This is the file name. Give it here, then run it. Tool takes some time. He will change all the APK to source code. This is a really amazing tool that would help you to translate from source code or translate from origin to the source code. If you see, here is it, the app. It takes some time. Everything is clear. This is main phase. This is your main phase. It's my permission that I access to. This is what I want to share with you. With the beginning, I told you he could go back from the source code, from the origin to the source code. Also, this is all the other thing like resource, smile code. This is Java as smile. This is all the Java code that I write it for Android, for example. For GSM, everything I have with Java but add smile. You could change smile to real Java code using some tools available. So yes, see how I could go back from APK to real source code and real files that available with the application as a layout or as a Java file. Yes, here is it, and here is everything. See, here is the layout. And here we're done, and thank you for watching.